Theta cost certainly equivalent to $1.0230 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 1.0010-1.0250, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 1.0060, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change was plus 0.0170, plus 1.69% amazingly. Reverse rate, USD to Theta, which in every practical sense is very critical. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they for the most part thought. Theta cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $1.00, kind of most extreme 1.07, certainly least 0.93 in an every way that really matters, significant way. Theta figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1.01, sort of greatest 1.08, genuinely least 0.94, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.98, really greatest 1.05, kind of least 0.91, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $1.01, lovely greatest 1.08, exceptionally least 0.94, or so they especially thought. Theta cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $0.99, certainly greatest 1.06, exceptionally least 0.92, exhibiting that theta cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.98, certainly most extreme 1.05, fundamentally least 0.91 in an every practical sense, significant way. In multi-week theta conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $0.97, kind of most extreme 1.04, fundamentally least 0.90, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $1.02, especially greatest 1.09 in every practical sense, least 0.95 in a truly significant way. Theta figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.98, especially greatest 1.05, genuinely least 0.91 in a by and large significant manner. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.92, sort of greatest 0.98, in every way that really matters, least 0.86, or so they sort of thought. Theta conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost $0.83, truly most extreme 0.89, sort of least 0.77 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days theta cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.91, most extreme 0.97, exceptionally least 0.85, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Theta gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.90, exceptionally most extreme 0.96, sort of least 0.84, which truly is genuinely huge. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.90, truly most extreme 0.96, least 0.84, or so they really thought. Theta figure on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.90, truly greatest 0.96, truly least 0.84, or so they truly thought. Theta cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.93, sort of greatest 1.00, especially least 0.86, which generally shows that in every practical sense, opposite rate, USD to Theta in a genuinely significant way. In 3 weeks theta figure on Monday, May 22, cost $0.96, for the most part greatest 1.03, sort of least 0.89, which sort of shows that in about 14 days theta cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.91, most extreme 0.97, kind of least 0.85. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.94, genuinely most extreme 1.01 in every practical sense, least 0.87, which truly is very critical. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.92, most extreme 0.98, kind of least 0.86 in an unpretentious way. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.95, fundamentally most extreme 1.02, kind of least 0.88 in an unpretentious way. Theta estimate on Friday, May 26, cost $0.94, truly greatest 1.01, truly least 0.87. In about a month theta cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $0.94, most certainly greatest 1.01, least 0.87, exhibiting that in about 14 days theta cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $0.91, sort of greatest 0.97, by and large least 0.85 in an essentially huge manner. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.92, fundamentally greatest 0.98, lovely least 0.86 amazingly. USD to Theta conversion standard by and large equivalent to 0.9775 coins per $1, showing how Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.90, most certainly greatest 0.96, most certainly least 0.84 in an unpretentious way. Today, S-reach 0.9756-0.9990, exhibiting how Theta estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1.01, fundamentally greatest 1.08, especially least 0.94 in a genuinely significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.9940 in an every way that really matters, large way, change for now 0.0165. 1.66%, or so they basically thought. USD to Theta cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a significant manner. Dollar to Theta estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 1.000 coins, in every way that really matters. Most extreme 1.075. By and large least 0.935, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. USD to Theta expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.990 coins, lovely greatest 1.064, fundamentally least 0.926, or so they really thought. Dollar to Theta figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost 1.020 coins, sort of most extreme 1.099, truly least 0.952, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.990 coins, certainly greatest 1.064, extremely least 0.926 in an especially large way. Dollar to Theta figure on Friday, May 5, cost 1.010 coins, beautiful greatest 1.087, really least 0.943 incredibly. And multi-week USD to Theta forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 1.031 coins, kind of greatest 1.111, truly least 0.962, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Theta figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.980 coins, most certainly greatest 1.053, kind of least 0.917, which sort of is very critical. USD to Theta expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.020 coins, certainly greatest 1.099, by and large least 0.952, which in a real sense is very huge. Dollar to Theta figure on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.087 coins, genuinely most extreme 1.163, certainly least 1.020 in a sort of significant manner. USD to Theta expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 1.205 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 1.299, certainly least 1.124, showing how today, S-reach 0.9756-0.9990, exhibiting how Theta estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1.01, exceptionally greatest 1.08, especially least 0.94 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days, dollar to Theta figure on Monday,